Si Mayor Alice Guo po recently said categorically she refuted na isa siyang spy or asset po ng China. And on top of that, she said na she is Filipino and mahal po niya ang ating bansang Pilipinas. Do you find her statements believable or credible po?
Well, I find their statements not credible, no? Madali naman po magsabi na mahal mo yung sarili mong bansa eh. But the matter is, what she's claiming is contrary to what is appearing in the documents. May mga records po na nakalagay doon, yung citizenship niya is Chinese, no? And of course, the surrounding circumstances that there was a late registration of her birth, and of course, dubious din, no? Yung kanyang pagkaupo bilang mayor ng Bamban Tarlac. So I guess the Office of the Solicitor General is in the right track, wherein I guess they're planning and studying to file a quo warranto procedure, no, wherein to question the legitimacy of her being a mayor, no, because the quo warranto basically is by what authority does the person is occupying the seat. So, titignan ho natin yung aspeto ng kanyang citizenship and of course, yung involvement niya rin dito sa illegal na operasyon ng POGO sa kanya pong lugar. So, I guess it's not credible and I would say it's dubious, no? Yung kanya pong mga statements.
To add lang, no, wala naman po atang SPA or asset na mag-aamin, di ba? So, like what Congressman Jill said, the evidence could speak for itself. And nakikita natin na marami siyang hindi alam, di ba? Maraming hindi nasasagot and hindi siya credible as a person in her statement. So, let's see kung anong mangyayari, ano pa ang mga mahahanap at makikita ng mga pieces of evidence. But like I said, diba, simple lang, wala naman pong aamin na meron silang ginawang masama or isa silang asset or SPIA at the end of the day.
Just to add, sir, kasi nung nagkaroon ng Senate inquiry, maraming natanong, hindi niya nasagot. By the time na sumagot siya, puro kwento na lang yung sinabi. I think more than kwento, she should show evidence of such na, para paniwalaan siya. Yung katabi ko, isang magandang abogada. Alam niya na dapat evidence, hindi kwento. Doon sa amin sa Tondo, may kasabihan, puro wento, walang wenta. Kailangan magpakita ka ng ebidensya para mapaniwalaan ka ng ating bansa.
So, kung hindi po siya spy or asset, baka tourist. Ano?
Baka po.
So, I would like just to comment about that issue because kung dito nga po sa Kongreso ay meron pong procedure on granting Filipino citizenship, no? The naturalization process, ipinapasa po yan ng Kongreso. So dito, mukhang dubious at questionable because of the late registration. So, kung yung nakikita ho natin dito, baka circumvention ito ng ating pong saligang batas at ng mga administrative process. So, a foreign individual can just conveniently registered her birth late and the local civil registrar will issue a birth certificate and that will be properly recorded in the PSA. And the basis of that documents, he can ask and apply for issuance of a Philippine passport. So, for all intents and purposes, she or he is a Filipino citizen. So nakaka-alarma po ito, no? Na baka gawin itong mga modus or scheme ng ibang mga foreign individuals na gusto po na gumawa ng mga illegal activities dito sa ating bansa.
Ako, dagdagan ko lang ulit yung sinabi ng ating mga kasama dito. Itong si Mayor Alice Guo has been identified to be an associate of two Chinamen, no, na nahuli sa Singapore for money laundering. So malaking issue yun. So dapat talagang masilip dahil unang-una yung nagiging modus kasi ng mga Chinese ngayon na kumukuha ng Filipino citizenship, no, doon sa sinasabing late registration. Hahanap sila ng local civil registrar, karamihan dito ay sa probinsya, magpapa-issue ho sila ng certification that they were born in that barangay, ganitong date, at ang magtataka tayo dahil puro lahat sila late registration. Lahat po sila pinanganak sa Comadrona. Wala hong pinanganak na ospital dyan. So, again, no, that's an alarming information that we should all look into. Marami na hong issue tungkol sa fake Filipino passports na nai-issue dito sa mga ito. Not fake, no? Authentic, original Filipino passports, pero spurious and dubious yung mga supporting documents that they submitted. Lalong-lalo na yung birth certificate. Lahat po yan, pinanganak, Comadrona, lahat po yan sa probinsya, lahat po yan ay late registration. So again, no, that's a cause for alarm. That's why dun sa investigation ni Congressman Paduano, isa yun sa usapin na sinisilip po natin.